Come with me. Let me show you what's behind the scenes at Vida Edgewater today.
Ya están por ahí, mira. Estas todas las van a hacer ahora, van a hacerle dos formas estas y va. Y ya hacen la rampa.
Ya vamos a la rampa.
Esto va subiendo, después sube aquí y después sube allá. Pero van a ver esta parte subir ya.
Y la parte del... Bueno, hoy ponen más concrete, ¿no?
Sí.
Sí.
Todo eso de atrás. Pero todo eso lo están sumando, ve los fondos.
Ajá.
Todo eso lo están acá.
So we're gonna have
Every week you have half a floor poured. Every week.
Every week.
So every 2 weeks you have a whole floor. So in a month you have 2 floors complete.
So we're gonna attack this floor over here, which is floor 1, and then you're gonna have a construction joint, and then that construction joint is gonna connect to the next floor. So it's just 2 floors.
So you have to lay pendants, you have to, all of that stuff has to be in place, and then you have to be tensioning the cables as you go up. So all that has to be coordinated.
Okay, so we're moving along, guys.
So that's why they haven't come, because of the rain?
The rain and traffic, So even though the plan is like 10 minutes away, I mean, to be honest, we've been getting not so good of a concrete service, but hopefully it gets better. Hopefully, if we can get permission from the city to pour at 4 a.m., then we're gonna finish. We're gonna have a really good concrete service. So
Explain to him how long the trucks have to sit while they come here. They can't sit longer than how long because they have to be poured right away.
they can't. So each concrete truck has a time duration of 90 minutes. After 90 minutes, you have to send it back to the plant, and it depends on the temperature that you have to account for and so many other factors. But after 90 minutes, you send it back to the plant.
Okay.
So because we don't want the concrete to dry up.
Okay.
So
that's why everything has to be timed
it's
in a way.
timed, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and then each concrete truck it arrives in increments of like 10 minutes, 20 minutes, And like I said, it all depends on the service.
Okay. Good.
Sticking up all over the job. And then by that time we should be ready to pour floors at that point. But we need shoring diagrams, a series of things that are in the works right now, which should be done in the next couple of weeks. So when it goes, it's going to go very fast. The building should be finished by, the structure should be finished, topped out by, I'd say, November, mid-November.